She a ride or die, she sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I'm so sorry for not uploading for like 3 weeks. Let's just say it's been a lot going on, but today's video is going to be me doing this very simple eyeshadow look, but the star of the show is of course the lipstick. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I had to take my wig off because I don't like to have hair in my face. So yeah, I took my wig off. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm combing out my brows so I can prepare to draw them on. I used to be embarrassed about like drawing my eyebrows on, but whatever. My eyebrows look good. Lock on liner in the color Espresso. I really like to have my brows dark and lovely. Look at my e.l.f. setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray in there just so I can make it softer. I have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel. I'm gonna link it down below, but I'm not finna make this an eyebrow tutorial. So, you know, if you want to learn how to do your brows, I have a separate video for that. And I'm just gonna spoolie the front of them. Okay, so my brows are done. So at this point, when I do my makeup, I usually put primer on just so the primer can sit while I do other stuff. I'm using this Rimmel London Lasting Finish Breathable Primer. It's real cute and it works. Okay, so now that my brows are on, I'm about to set my eyelids. I used to use concealer to like block out the veins on my eyelids, like to create that base, but I kind of changed my mind. Okay, so now for the fun part, I decided to bring y'all in a little closer so y'all can see the blend happening. So the palette I'm going to be using is this Juvia'S Place, the Warrior 2 palette. This is my very first Juvia'S Place palette, y'all, and frankly, when it came in the mail, I was like fangirling. Like, I ain't never used the Juvia'S Place palette in my life. See, it has a lot of like pretty neutral colors as well as like some pinks and like this pretty brick red color that I'm gonna be using. So yeah, let's get started. The first color I'm gonna be using for my transition is gonna be this kind of like tannish color. I'm just gonna plop that in my crease as my transition color. Now that my transition color is down, I'm gonna take this really pretty chocolate brown, but I'm gonna strategically place that up under this color. So this chocolate brown is not going to be the star of the show in this makeup look because my lipstick is red. I'm gonna incorporate some red in there. Brown is just gonna be something for my red to blend into so it doesn't look so harsh. Now I'm going to go in with this really pretty brick color. I'm gonna stick that under my brown, like I'm gonna blend it into my brown. I'm just gonna make sure that I don't put too much red because my lipstick is red. So I'm gonna stick some in there. Like, you're gonna see it, but it's not gonna be like, hey, look at me, I have red eyeshadow on. Like, it's not gonna be like that. So see, like, you can see it, like you can tell it's a little bit of red in there compared to this eye, but it's not, I'm not gonna say noticeable because you do notice it. What's the word? It's subtle. Like, you know it's some red in there, but it's not like, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. I ain't gotta explain it to you. Y'all know the deal. So like, you can tell that there's that brick color is in there versus on this side. It's subtle, you can still see it, but it's not overpowering, you know what I'm saying? This e.l.f. liner, and of course the color Jet Black, and I'm gonna do me a little wing, some slight, nothing extra. Okay, so my left eyeliner is always causing me trouble, so this is what we got. But I'm about to put some lashes on, so you're gonna be looking at my lashes and not at my jagged eyeliner. I mean, like, I'm gonna take some foundation and try to fix it a little bit, but as for this up here, so I'm gonna use this color right here, this beautiful, magnificent, pigmented black. Looks like it came from a coal mine. I'm just gonna like stick that right here. I know it's in an odd spot, but I like depth. And also, we can hide my terrible eyeliner. So that's what we're gonna do. Looks like I put too much. These are some 25mm lashes because I do not wear regular lashes anymore. This is my second pair and I'm not going back. So like, if you've seen a few of my previous videos when I do my makeup, I think I've only done like 2 other makeup tutorials, but you know that putting foundation on, putting powder on before my foundation is like my holy grail. I found this technique on YouTube, but what really sold me was the fact that, like, I did this when I went to prom, when I was a senior in high school, and like, girl, my makeup was flawless the whole night. So I'm using the same foundation that I used to set my eyelids with and to cover my brows, to put it on my face. I try not to like put a lot on the back of my hand, because if I put it on the back of my hand, I feel like I have to use it, so I try not to put like a ton. Use the brush to just kind of like put the product on there. I don't use the foundation brush to actually, you know, put it on my face. I just feel like using a brush and then like using a beauty blender, which I'm about to do next. I feel like using a brush and then using a beauty blender, I don't know. I just wasn't about to use my finger to put some foundation on my face. I used to use a brush. I used to use my hands. I stopped using my hands. I'm about to set it with this Maybelline Fit Me powder. in the color 330. I don't think this is the right color for me, at least for my summer shade. I know it's not summer no more, but I'm still a little dark, so I mean, let's see if this gonna work. This Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Illuminati. Now we are on the last and final step, which is the beautiful red lipstick. So this is Maybelline. I don't know like what the actual name of it is, but color is 385. It's called Ruby for me. I picked this up on a whim when I was at Walmart buying makeup. I was like, I'm gonna get some red lipstick, and I just picked it up. I didn't think I was gonna wear it because I normally do stuff like that. Like I'll buy makeup and then like not even use it. But I faced my fears and I'm so happy I did, because now I have the confidence to wear like any color lipstick ever. I might get some black lipstick if I'm feeling bold. Okay. And y'all see how my lashes y'all see how my lashes completely erased every mistake that is on my eyeballs. I'll come to the end of this video. I really hope y'all liked it. I'm trying to do more, I'm trying to expand my content, and all my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I've uploaded in the past. In this case, it's going to be how to apply fake lashes and how to you know, like do your eyebrow. I'll see y'all in my next video.